and I just wanted to show you. So these little strips, these little guys, have pretty powerful cleaning power. So I must say, so if you haven't seen already, I bought these, I found these the other day that I've been really wanting to try. They're cleaning laundry strips, detergent strips, and it's zero packaging. So there's zero plastic involved, zero plastic wrapping. It just comes in this little paper envelope and the strips are inside. You could see the strips just come like that. I mean, there's zero plastic involved. I just did my laundry and I tested these out for the very first time, and they have an incredible amount of cleaning power, I must say. I wasn't sure in the beginning. I'm going to show you my laundry. So here is my lovely laundry. It is clean, even though it just hasn't been folded yet. But basically, this was my very first load trying the strips, and each one of these squares you fold in half and then you only use half of it. So for every load you just use one strip. So I'll show you. So you would just use one per load. So I was a little skeptical. I thought, how could this one little strip clean an entire load of laundry? So I do 2 loads. I do dark and then I do light, and it just cleaned everything really well. So I don't know how they did it. I don't know how they could make something clean or something so well. I mean, even my undergarments are like really like squeaky clean, like really clean. I am amazed. I can't believe it. Nothing smells like the linen. There's a scent to the strip. It has a really nice linen scent, or like a fresh, almost like a downy scent. But then you can't smell it on the clothes after they've been cleaned and dried. So that's the one thing. They don't smell like anything after you've cleaned them and dried them. Yeah, nothing. They just smell really fresh. Like everything, if you can see, everything just came out nice and really clean. You can just tell, like, you can tell when you clean something with just pure water, and then when you clean it with an actual detergent or soap, how the difference in how clean it looks or feels. It just got all of my undergarments clean, and so that's how I can pretty much tell if something really worked or not, if something really cleaned my clothes. So I put these, I wanted to show you guys in the light just how clean the laundry strips got them. Look at how clean they are. I should have done it before and after, stupid me, but all of this was dark, like it was black at the tip of the toe, all of this here and down here in the rubber. And these are just like a cloth material, but it got most of the, it really cleaned them well. Look at how clean they got. For the dark load, I actually was I was scared that I wasn't gonna clean them. So I put 4 strips, so 4 halves I put in the machine for the dark, but then I also put 2 more strips because they were like pretty dirty and smelly. And then for the light, I only put 4, which is still a lot. It's still probably too much. So I should have probably only did like 2 strips for the white and then maybe 3 strips for the dark, or even 2 strips for the dark, it would have worked. So everything's just feels really clean, like squeaky clean. All of my workout wear that gets really stinky and stuff is fully clean, you can see. And also I had a bag that I had food in this bag, and it kind of leaked out. So I had this big stain on this bag, but as you can see, this is the second time I've washed it in a row. I had to wash it a second time because the stain just didn't come out very well, but it's come out quite a bit with just these strips. So with just the cleaning strips, it can do a pretty good job of getting out your stains. I also used a stain spray and let it pre-soaked it with the stain spray too. So I mean, it's not just the strip that cleaned it, but it's still fairly clean. I will continue using them, even though they don't make your clothes smell really nice. You could also use like a a fabric softener kind of sheet or something like that, that's eco-friendly, to if you really want something to make your clothes smell nice. But other than that, these are a really powerful cleaning strip that will get your laundry, your clothes clean as any other conventional mainstream laundry detergent. I'm so happy with them. They're a little over $13. You get 32 loads, maybe even less if you're going to use more than one strip per load. But they are the best thing on the market. I mean, look, zero plastic, no plastic wrapping, just the paper envelope and then the strips inside. I highly recommend them. I think they do an incredible job at cleaning your clothes, and they don't suds up that much. Very little, not too much soap kind of sudsing up, and I was like, oh, is this gonna really work, you know? I was praying and hoping that they would, and they actually really did. So they really clean your clothes. They don't create a lot of suds at all, barely. I'm so used to, when I see suds, thinking that, I automatically think that that is what's cleaning my clothes really well, is like how sudsy a soap gets, you know? But in actuality, it doesn't have anything to do with how clean your clothes get with these. So suds don't necessarily have anything to do with how clean your clothes are going to become, or how well it's going to clean your clothes, the soap itself. So that is it. That is my little follow-up review on the Tru Earth laundry detergent strips. I highly recommend getting them. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day today, and I'll see you in the next video.